All right, guys, this customer brought me two chainsaws that won't start. This 455 Rancher and this 240. He said the 455 Rancher needs a carb clean, 240 needs a purge bulb. Step one, verify the problem. Well, definitely needs a purge bulb. And as it turns out, I think I have one of those that ought to fit. So first thing we're going to do is replace that, and then we'll see if we can get this started. All right, first thing I see before I even get this cover off is it's missing one of the screws to the cover. So I'm documenting that so the customer doesn't think I lost that. Another thing I'm noticing is this chain brake doesn't seem to be working. That's a pretty major safety hazard. Have to notify the customer of that. Purge bulb is replaced. Nice shiny new one. This air filter though looks bad. This is a new one. I happen to have one. I'm gonna ask the customer if he wants me to replace that. Yeah, it runs, it starts, but it won't idle. I think part of the problem is this clogged air filter. You can see the chain is extremely loose and the chain brake doesn't work, which is a safety issue. Customer got back to me. He wanted me to change the air filters, so I got a nice clean one in there. Let's see if this thing runs a little bit better now. Chain brake.